Providing cost-efficient biodiversity monitoring tools is a primary goal of the Madagascar Biodiversity Center. At present, we are inventorying insect communities all across Madagascar. We use tent-like malaise traps to sample forest and genetic barcoding to identify what we found. Our work has found species that can tell us what specific time of the year to monitor forest, which helps reduce monitoring costs. Moreover, knowing the insect communities within protected parks will help park managers raise public awareness about forest richness, because so far the majority of insect species are still unknown.
The MBC team is also running camera traps, audio recorders and cyclone samplers to ensure biodiversity monitoring of protected areas is followed. Together, these tools will provide more cost-effective and reliable ways to monitor and to sustain biodiversity in remote areas. So, in total, 53 traps was created and set it up across Madagascar, and we are working together with local assistant and park manager to ensure the monitoring of each trap. So, a specific phone and app is provided and created to collect and send the data every week on our website.